Were you able to find out how much people can expect to pay from these burst pipe damages?
It depends on every situation, and the estimate varies based on the extent of the damages being evaluated. While there's no definitive answer, the good news is that insurance agencies do provide coverage on burst pipes, as it falls under most homeowners and commercial property packages.
Throughout the area, home and property owners have burst pipes. As a result, not only are plumbing and heating businesses busy, but so are insurance agencies.
With the intense weather, extreme conditions, sub-zero temperatures we had, we've gotten a lot of frozen pipe claims, and then people obviously have extensive water damage from that, some serious.
President of LaFaro's insurance agency, Robert LaFaro, explains that most cases they're seeing are covered under the policies, with the exception of a few scenarios.
Keep in mind with insurance, in order to activate coverage, it needs to be what's called a sudden and accidental loss. So if you find out you have water damage because you've had a pipe that's been leaking the last 6 months, that will not activate the definition of sudden accidental.
As insurance agencies are flooded with calls, the response time to claims are slower. LaFaro says that while waiting, it's important to immediately take steps to dry out the building.
One suggestion I can offer is when somebody realizes they have water damage, the clock starts ticking. The objective is to get the building dried out as soon as possible. The longer the water sits, the better you have a chance of mold being produced. And mold is typically very little, if any, coverage at all under both homeowners and commercial.
To get the ball rolling, LaFaro suggests to call a water restoration contractor who will help with the drying process.
Yes, it's important to call your insurance company and file a claim, but it's just, if not more important, to initiate reaching out to a water restoration contractor and get on the list, because right now they essentially have waiting lists.
For property owners who are waiting to hear back from the water restoration companies, LaFaro said that getting a head start on drying out your home by picking up wet rugs from the floor, turn up the heat, and to keep the air circulating through the house will help prevent mold in your building. Live from the studio, Marissa Thomas, Erie News Now.